just a reminder sa lahat sa atin. 3 basic rules of money. Positive Day, Gilivers. This is Dr. Gigi Disong from My Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga Gilivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click na po yan, Gigi Disong. Alright. Pasensya na po. Medyo mabagal muna ating mga pagsasalita. We're not yet 100% okay. Pero nagpapacheck naman po tayo. And tomorrow may check-up ulit tayo. Mamaya meron ulit. So, everyday tayo magpa-check-up para hanggang sa matagpuan natin ang tunay na sanhi ng ating sakit. May palpitation po kasi tayo. Hirapan tayong minga minsan. Okay. Dito muna tayo sa paligid bago tayo pumasok. Alright, so one last vlog bago tayo pumasok. The 3 basic rules of money. Basic lang to sasabihin ko sa inyo. Very basic. Tagal ko nang di-discuss pero it's just a reminder sa lahat sa atin. Ay po, ma'am. The 3 basic rules of money. Number 1 is you still have to earn money. That's the first rule of money. You need to earn money. Okay? That's the basic rule of money. Kailangan may pera tayo, so you have to earn money. So kung paano, have your work, okay, walang masama. Have a side job, start your business, anything. You do something every day na alam mong at the end of the week or at the end of the month, may pera ka. Diba? Hindi pwedeng nagtatrabaho ka walang sweldo. Diba? I mean, you know, hindi pwedeng busy ka lang. Dapat at the end of the week, you will be compensated. Alright? Okay? So, second rule of money is you save. Do sabi ko, wag na tayo mag-save. Diba? Pero doon sa mga nasisimula, save money. Okay? And third, you need to invest. Yun pa rin ang basic rule ng money. Simple lang, di ba? Para magkaroon ka ng business, para ka maging successful, or to start your success. Tatlo lang ang basic rules ng money. 1, you earn money. Then you save. Then, you invest it. Okay? Pwede rin 4. Dagdagan natin 4 pang business. Okay? So, yan yung basic rules. Basic na basic. Di ba? So, kung nandun ka pa rin sa stage na yun na earning ka pa lang, it's okay. So, magdagdag ka na lang na other source of income mo. Then you save your money, then you invest. Kung paano, I can help you how to save your money and how to start your own business. Okay? So, tawag mo ako 0939-5254-311. Okay? And, by the way, salamat sa IMD, IMD, medical, ano na tayo, medical, ano tayo, marketing director. Yeah, thank you very much, IMG. Okay, so if you need Kaiser, Sun Life, 3-in-1 and health card, so tawagan mo ako, i-connect kita sa kanila. 0939-5254-311. Okay, that's the basic rules of money. You earn, you save, you invest, and start your own business. Alright, so thank you very much, Gilivers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go.